So I got the pads off this robot. I just wanted to show the mounting plate, which is right here. Now, sometimes your mounting plate under here gets really dirty and encrusted with sand and all that stuff, and so do your pad holders. And as you can see, all this sand here, I sprayed out from underneath the robot. I removed both pad holders. I got them there in the sink. I washed them off, and I blast out the undercarriage sometimes before I change the pads. I probably do this about once a week just to make sure that, you know, there's nothing under there and that the pad, the brushes come off the mounting plate really easily. These brushes have a really bad tendency to latch onto that mounting plate and don't need to let go. So if you see in upcoming cuts here, I'll show you the technique I use for removing the brush pad from the mounting plate, or chuck if you want to call it. And yeah, the best thing is just to keep everything clean when you change pads, and then you're not getting sand between the friction surfaces, which makes removing the pads a lot harder. Also, the newer the robot is, the harder it is to remove the brush mounting plate from the mounting plate, or the brush plate from the mounting plate. So newer robots, these clips here are going to be really hard to remove from that mounting plate. So if you're having trouble with a new robot, it just hasn't been broken in yet. And as you change the brushes more often, it does get easier.